AV Clinic and Diabetes Center. Overview of hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland, a small butterfly-shaped gland in the neck, does not produce enough thyroid hormones, which are essential for controlling metabolism, energy, and many body functions. The most common cause worldwide is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, an autoimmune condition. Common symptoms: persistent fatigue, low energy production, makes you feel constantly tired. Weight gain, slower metabolism leads to gradual weight increase despite normal eating. Cold intolerance, reduced heat production causes increased sensitivity to cold. Menstrual irregularities, in women, hormonal imbalance affecting reproductive system. Common triggers of hypothyroidism. The most common cause is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, where the immune system attacks the thyroid gland. Removal of part or all of the thyroid gland can reduce hormone production. Radiation treatment to the neck, for cancers, can damage the thyroid. Do not ignore it. Persistent fatigue, constipation, unexplained weight gain, slow heart rate, feeling cold easily, depression or low mood, dry skin and hair loss, puffy face and swelling. Prevention: adequate iodine intake, avoid certain goitrogenic foods in excess, adequate selenium and zinc intake. For more such details you can contact Dr. Deepak Katari, AV Clinic and Diabetes Center. Thank you for attention. AV Clinic and Diabetes Clinic.